Properties.
Okay. Now you could probably hear me. Let's see if I have any filters on. Cancel. Filters. Yes. Don't know if they're great. We'll see. Ah. Okay, I'll come back and review this later. All right. So let's turn my main monitor on. Put that on top. I really don't like how that is not like all the way live, right? Hopefully I don't share secrets right now. That looks good. That looks good. Still no one. That's fine. No, I don't want that. Okay, so you can't hear the music. That's gonna be a problem. Let's turn off the infinite mirror real quick. That's anchor. Let's do at existing. We will listen to this one. Alright, that should just be like under it. I don't like that this is here. I want to... Ah, sweet. Okay. Let's turn that back on. Alright, so... Oops. Hello, if you're new. Probably not the only one. But my name is Brian Sane. I am a software engineer. Turn the music down in my headphones. Yeah, if someone can like leave a comment or chat or something, if the volume is too loud, please let me know. But I am a software engineer. Currently working at Signify Health, and as that's my day job. As my alternative, I am working on a TTRPG character manager. Turn this down. That's even more. Perfect. It's weird talking and listening to music at the same time, but I think this is fine. So my project is CtrlAlt.Quest. Actually, go to it now, CtrlAlt.Quest.com. It is horribly simple because this is just boilerplate, right? Whatever I'm doing. I've not had anything out yet, but I'm working on it. I have a GitHub repository, CtrlAlt.Quest. Search it, Brian.Sane, or Brian Sane on GitHub, or just search CtrlAlt.Quest. I bet it'll find it. But the goal of this is to be a TTRPG, tabletop role-playing game, character management. I have some really cool ideas for it. There are a ton out there. I understand that, and I don't know. I want to throw my hat in the ring. Have a little competition out there. That's fun for me. I really enjoy it. Why not? Hopefully one day I can make this a career, but until then, I am doing this. So let me, yep. All right, so where are we? Let's make sure web browser Brave. Make sure it actually opens Brave this time. I'll kind of show you what I've been working on. If there are people here, I will actually do exciting things. But for now, I am literally just going to be working on this, talking to myself, figuring it out. Sweet. All right, so this is the main site. I hate that this does not go down. I know I figured it out once, don't know what it is. But this is the main page, right? We have a character sheet, and then the actual character builder will be here. And then that's just going to be the left. the right pane over here, I'm going to have notes. So if you want to take notes during your session, great. But I was also thinking of, having spell descriptions here. If you have, whatever, 5 to 10 spells, you can actually have them up here. So you have your character stuff here and then your spells over here. I thought that'd be cool. Also, maybe rules lookup if we want to. I'm not really wanting to go into that as this application because I want to stick to whatever the character is. However, I'm open to it if people disagree. So for the coders out there, I am using .NET Core and Blazor. I was originally going to use Postgres as my data source. However, hopefully I don't sneeze, because I bet that would be good. Sorry, I'm going to use Redis now. Redis is a memory-first database that I can host. It is open source for the most part. They just changed their licensing, but I'm fine with it. I've kind of reviewed it. I know some people are mad about it. I'm not. I think it's fine. Oh, I should probably post that I am live. So let's do that real quick. Where's the link? What is this? About dashboard. I don't want to. Alright, well, forgot to put that on vibrate. I was doing this for a long time, and then my computer crapped out on me. I know I'm seeing it and missing it. Share. There we go. Just copy that link. Alright, let's go to new post. And do that. Quick plug. I am 0% endorsed by them, but they don't even know who I am. But follow is really cool. Animal tracking, you get to track a specific animal, view where it is. I was on it today because we got it for Christmas, and I realized there's a VIP section, and I can become a VIP if I get 5 people to buy something there. So support a good cause. It's less than $20 US, I think. Yeah, that'd be really cool if that happened. Whatever. So let's close this. Yeah, so I'm using Blazor, and I'm really, really enjoying it. Specifically, what I'm enjoying is no API, which is bonkers and crazy to me, right? I thought definitely I would have to have an API, but it's all server-side rendering. So you don't have to worry about any of that. It's phenomenal. All right, so what I am doing is I'm just going to keep going, right? If there's anyone that actually kind of joins, great. Please let me know. But other than that, I'm just going to kind of work on some UI stuff. My goal is to have unique icons for each thing, each section, essentially. Perception in Pathfinder 2e. Oh yeah, I'm doing Pathfinder 2e right now. I'm having big personal feelings about Wizards of the Coast and their system. Dungeons & Dragons, I'm not a fan of it anymore. I don't like where Wizards is going. Also with Magic, it's just everything is money, money, money. And it feels like it's lost the spirit of the game for me personally. So I'm not going to be using Pathfinder anymore. Or not Pathfinder, I'm not going to be using Dungeons & Dragons anymore. It is going to be Pathfinder for me. I listened to a podcast called Glass Cannon Podcast. I love it. It's good. It got me hooked on Pathfinder. So let's see. I had that guy. So last time I was working on this, right? So back to the icons. I want everything to be unique. I want it to stand out, easily visible, so I know, okay, red, health, up here, dying conditions. In Pathfinder, you have specific dying conditions, dying 1, 2, or 3, instead of death saving throws, and wounded 1, 2, and 3 here. You have regular stuff, strength, dex, constitution. They get rid of the big numbers so much better because it wasn't having anything. All we cared about was the modifiers, so let's just have the modifiers. No more rolling stats is a consequence of that, which is hard, but fine. Shield health is something new. Hardness, break threshold, and max health. So right now I am trying to come up. I don't know if I like these saving throws. They feel too wide to me, right? Is it worth fixing now? Probably not. So what I did then is I moved here to shield details, resistances, and I left on skills and conditions. So future state, I want all of these to be their own little icons for a thievery one or society, stealth, whatever. Little icons to help me, easily your mind goes to it and it knows before you're even thinking about it. That is the goal. However, I don't have a good one, and I don't like what I put there. I do. Fine. I found this open source site. It looks like it is no longer being updated. However, I'm a fan. Oh my goodness, brightness warning. Okay. This is horrible. Is it like black? This is not going to go well. A little bit? Fine, whatever. Very bright. Better to see my face with. I don't like the blank B20. Full preview and one. Oh my goodness, no thank you. Let's go to the tags. I've had good luck with tags. There's a abstract ID. Might be good, I don't know. Ears could be good. That could be good. So I want the numbers in the middle. That one's pretty cool. That one is a heart cube. Let's see. No. I mean, it's so hard because nothing just screams out skills. Board game and cards. Dice is a no. Symbols and emblems, maybe? What is that? No. What's GUI? Let's look at that. That's what I thought. I do like pie, but I don't think that will work very well. Star and Sun. It's a cool shield. I could be convinced for a sun-shaped one. Alright, that one's pretty cool. So what I like to do is go find something, and then I will go into Inkscape, right, and edit it to be exactly how I want it to be, or close enough as my what's it called? Being a skill allows. Bag could be good. Not a purse. Lunch bag doesn't make sense. That would be good for thief. Explosion of projectile weapons. No, we're doing Pathfinder 2E, so machine doesn't make sense. Maybe nature stone? I'm about getting bored of this though, so I'm about to just move it and not do anything. Yeah, nothing's sticking out to me. Alright, let's do one more page. Let's find a good one. And I'm bored, so I'm going to move forward. Medieval fantasy characters is appropriate, however, I know it's not going to have what I want. Viking could be good, Celtic could be good, ancient Greece and Rome. Pirate, circus. Alright, let's do... okay. Ancient Greek and Rome, 69. Nice. Yep, that was not helpful. Not at all. So... Yep. So let's look at this again. Yeah, that's the best I got, so I'm fine with that. What are you doing? Oh, did you just time out or something? So let's go to this, open with Inkscape. Please don't look at secrets and be that guy or girl or whatever. Alright, Polar Star. First, delete. Nope. Not delete. This is now black. Control-Shift-G, ungroup. So I've been sticking with outlines so far with white text. I think I want to keep that. So then I need an outline. There's a way to do that in Inkscape. I know that. But we will just do this. Lock the ratio. Make this just a wee size bigger. Difference. Nope. Intersection. Nope. There we go. That looks pretty dope. I like it. Alright, yeah, I'm happy with that. So we will save it. Exit. And then let's go back to here. Open with... Let's do it in here. Add a new Razor component. Let's do Polar Star. Keep the name. One word. And then let's do that. Attribute it. And let's do that, attribute. And then I'll explain all this in a second. Right. SVG stat. Can I do 24/24? No. Maybe. I don't think so. Yeah, because here's 196. So I like to do it in 24/24. Won't need to. Okay. You convinced me, silent audience. You are supposed to always be on top. It is Control Window T. Go. Sit still. Yep. Alright, and then we set it to 512. Copy the path information, because that's all that we need. And then in this text, let's do 50/50. I remember what I was doing now. That's good. Alright, so CtrlAlt.Quest. And then .NET-Watch. I liked doing this because I'm able to make UI changes and it will automatically rebuild for me. That was for something else. Let's go here, refresh. No. That is absolutely horrible. Is it 50, 55? 50, 40. Okay, you lied to me. Whatever. All right. Hopefully that's big enough. Make that a little bit bigger. All right, so I have this character sheet index, and this is the main page. I am splitting it off so each section is its own controller. That, or whatever, Razor component, and coming from the Angular world. So I'm going to be mixing stuff up. Not on purpose, just on things. So skill stats. A lot of S's. Skills, SVG. So it was that thing, so let's do 4-star. Focus all. Yep. And then this should rebuild for me. And this should have already loaded. Yep. And wow. Oh my goodness. I mean, that looks really cool. And I can't see the number. That did 1515. Alright, so then let's go to closed it, but in here, SVG stat. Font size 10 pixels, that's why. The solution is to either increase the set something else for 512, convert all of these to 512, which sounds like a headache. So we're gonna convert all of these to 2424. Don't know why I did that. I think it was just kind of the start layout, and I wanted to keep it that way. Oh my goodness. Why is it so bright? So, okay, properties. Super tiny. Lock in aspect ratio. And then I remembered I could just do this. 24 by 24. Center it on the page. I want a little bit more space. So let's do, what does 22 look like? Yeah, I like that a lot. Alright, save. This should auto update. Now, before you scream at me, yes, I have remembered to change that to 2424. And that should have updated for me. Wonderful. No, that's way too busy. We'll keep it for now, but I'm going to scoot down. So let's do 52%. Nope, on the Y. I was wrong. You were right. Yeah, looks pretty cool, but it's too bright. I don't like it. Why is... Oh... Okay, so now let's figure out skill stat. Oh. Also not a fan of the overflow on that. So let's do this. I tried doing overflow on this and I just could not get it. Maybe because it's span. See, I want it to just keep going. Where we're at? Set? No. No, that's not gonna work. Word break. Auto phase, keep all. Oh. Dev. Nope, div. Div. No. No, none of these were working. Anything in here that is causing it to not break? Nope. Nope. I didn't do it, so once that got computed, and I'm about to give up. Boxing size, color scheme. See, yeah, width. All right. It just does not look clean at all. Period at the end. It looks gross. I hate it. It is what it is. Let's continue trashing this project that I'm hoping people will work on. Or help, not work on, but help me, right? You know what I mean. We're on the same page. Alright, so the skills are down. We gotta do conditions. I am basing all of this off of a right. Well, wonderful. Let's do docs. Bone saw. Do I want to do actions? I need conditions. Hmm. Need to change him though. I'd made him a hunter, and I think I want to change him to a gladiator. Bonesaw is a reference to a movie that shall remain nameless, as I said, and he is just becoming my default brute character name. Bonesaw. He's just a big meathead. Doesn't think, just smashes. Interesting backstory, but no one cares about that right now. Class DC, weapon proficiency. Alright, so alright, here's the scoop, the ice cream scoop. Next thing to work on is, I don't even know conditions myself. And I think doing strikes would be fun. So one of the features I want is, I start working on that now, I guess. That would be fun, is here instead of notes, I want there to be an available actions. Could even start working on that now if I wanted to. Might as well. Be fun. So that is basic actions, walking, step. It'll be good to kind of go through those, and yeah, I think it could be good. So let's do Archive of Nethys. Spelled that wrong, but you know what I want, Google. Oh goodness. Okay. Second edition. I've been switching computers. I was originally I liked that one, right? Yep. Originally on this desktop, then I was going to be on a Linux machine, and then I've been working on that a little bit, and then I just got a Asus ROG Ally. Sold all my Bitcoin for that. Very excited. Sold it way too soon, but that's okay. Been enjoying that, and I was going to stream on that. However, it's not fully set up, so we're just going to do here. So yeah, so normally whenever you're playing, and this is like in combat mode, whenever you're fighting people, you have a total of 3 actions and 1 reaction. So one thing that I've struggled with, and I've been listening to some podcasts and people on Reddit, they struggle with knowing what their character can do. So I wanted to have a grid that will dynamically fill out what a specific character can do. So there are basic actions. There's apparently specialty actions. And then whenever you have a sword or a spell or something like that, they will cause different actions. So basic actions, let's look at that. Delay and ready. So aid. I believe. Ready in action. Prepare to use an action. Let's see. Choose a single action or free action you can use and designate the trigger. Alright, so it's mode of stand, step, strike. Take cover is cool too. So aid details. Evolving clarifications might be relevant when aiding an ally. For a task that takes longer than a round, proximity, you don't necessarily need to be next to your ally to aid, though you must be in a reasonable location. Oh, okay. So you're readying an aid action? An ally is about to use an action that requires a skill. You try to help your ally with a task. To use this reaction, you must first prepare to help, usually by using an action during your turn. Okay, whatever. Critical success. Legendary is +4. You grant an ally +1. Typical DC is 15, right? So Crawl has that. There's a lot with the Manipulate trait, and that is very handy. So does Move have the Manipulate trait? No. Strike does. An ability that for each, so Move. An action with this trait involves moving from one space to another. I know that. I'm trying to figure out. You must physically manipulate an item. So, attacks of opportunity. Is a reaction. The creature within your reach uses a manipulate action or a move action, makes a ranged attack, or leaves a square during a move action it's using. Leaves a square during a move action. Let's try it. If your attacks will hit. So it's not specifically with spells, but I wonder if spells have the manipulate trait on it. Alright, so let's go back. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Wrong way. So, attack of opportunity, specialty, basic actions. Arrest a fall, avert gaze, burrow, dismiss. If you in an effect that states you can dismiss it. Whatever. Grab an edge, mount, point out, raise shield, sustain. So then, okay, you're missing stuff. Full rule book, page 394. No, not true. That's a lot of equipment. Equipment. Spells. No, traits. Not weapons. want to know. Or rulebook, page 142. Is it a? Oh yeah, that's right. It's a feat. That's what it is. Not everyone has this. This feat can be used for one or more archetypes and additions. Okay. You have to have Restrictive Strike as a feat. So that's a good example of, basic actions. And then if you have a feat, you gain more actions. Well, you want to make sure you know you have that available to you. But these are just what everyone has. Nope, got this one. Manipulate trait, go back. This is basic actions. Did I open up 2 of the same jobs? Yes, I did. Specialty base actions. Attempt your choice. Yeah. Trigger you fall. Burrow. Okay, so I have not done any of this. Like, I love the boxes, right? I think this is laid out really well. I don't want to necessarily copy. I'm gonna do it my own way. Let's do basic actions first. So, start this. Let's close all these. Close all tabs. So we have the view character. Still have specific layouts of my character layout. So here is where I have those tabs. I'm using Mud Blazer to lay stuff out. And here I have notes. Let's add a new tab panel. Available actions. Don't know if that is a good name or not. Alright, so that's in the layout. And then there's view character, not pages. Common, just class. Do I want to have it? I don't want it to be a part of pages. View character is very much its own thing. Put it under there. Yeah. Because it is under the character layout. So that's folder. This. All right. Heard a kid yelling for me, so wasn't sure if I should go handle that or not. Let's check this out. Hey! I didn't get any errors though, so that's good. Refresh. So I need a mud page. Oh, come on. It's just defaulting to none. Let's turn that off. Oh, no. You're supposed to be in dark mode. Come on, Mud Blazer. Huh. Fine, whatever. Where's the page? Cards would be good. I like that a lot. Don't know how I'm going to use that. Carousel could be good too. Those would be good. Not overlay, not a skeleton. Creeper, mud creeper. Alright, so let's do, I don't know why I needed to look that up. Okay, here's, does this have my, that's gonna be cool. It still has my character state, so I need to inherit from, that's really cool. So if I inherit from the character layout, so let's do character sheet. If I inherit from the character layout, then that means I have this state available to me in the code. Should. Let's see where I went wrong. Pages, view character, character sheet. Yeah, inherits character layout. Oh, that's why. Now, oh, no, I gotta do. Whatever equals. Now I have access to the state. That's pretty cool. But I don't want to override you. I don't know if I need this. Take it out. You building and gonna throw an error at me? Alright. So let's think about this. Wrong window. Right. If I have carousel, I don't think that is going to help. Because transition. That's cool. No, I want everyone to be able to see it. So that's not good. I could do floating cards. So then, do I want to do expansion panels? Do I want to do tabs? Explore. So none of that. Should probably look at that. I don't need anything from inputs. Don't want to do lists. I don't want to do... I might do paginations. I don't want to do tabs on tabs. Tree view might be good. Menus, nothing. Breadcrumbs, nothing. Badge, none of that is nothing. Alright. This is just... Yeah, this is not what I want. Nope, nope. Auto expand, no. So this is cool. Build search on text change. How do you... Oh. Changing the item data. Okay. Custom body content. No, this is more for a list, not for what I want. Now, tabs over there is good. I like that a lot. Alright. I'm sold on tabs again. So... Nope, I don't want that. I don't care about you. One true position is position left. Don't need you anymore. Don't need you. And let's do that. It'll rebuild. 5 again. Oh, is it because it's a new file? I did Control R, and that should trigger brand new build. Why do you not like it? Oh, because you can't find it? There it is. Alright. So, 1 action, 2 action, 3 action, reaction. I think those are the only ones, right? Other action. Oh yeah, and there's free actions. So do I want to be fancy and do single 2 action, 3 action? Or we'll just simplify it with 2, 3? Or do I just want the icons? 95% sure I can use the icons. This is really the page that I wanted. And those are specialty. Stat blocks are shorthand for each type of action. Let's do that. So, there's a way that I can download all of those media packets. That's just under 2E. Paizo. I know it's on Paizo stuff. Licenses. We are a community use. This is going to be 100% free to use. Community resources. Okay, so that's the issue. Use Paizo material. You may use the contents of this, which is going to go back to that page. Yeah, so I can use it. Just don't know why you're not letting me, yeah, see. Should probably email them about that. This is all compatibility. That hurt my eyes. Yep. You need to use. This is technically under community use. Let's reproduce copyright and trademark notices. This is not endorsed by Paizo. No one is asking me to do this. This is of my own accord. Boom. Let's look at the download. Let's see what happens. Oh my goodness, you're taking too long. I'll leave that up. That's cool. All right, so second edition. That's not what I'm wanting. This is what I want. Yeah, don't care. Compatibility versus community. So for now, we are going to just assume that I'm good. Because I've tried, I've looked, I'll try to email. Oh, let's do this. All the way to the top. Does that work? No. That works. Then I need to drag this. Let's do a single action first. Should import. Import. Log out. Log out. Oh, because it's zipped. Zippity doo dah. Extract all. There we go. Those are free action. I don't want to do free actions. I want to do a single one action Johns. But I do want to convert it to an SVG. The reason is I don't want to have to deal with moving images around. I feel like it will be pretty easy to do. So let's see. Apply. So that's an SVG. So SVGs are just math. As we saw earlier, nope. It is just pretty simple stuff. Let's do document properties, 2424. 24. No, this needs to be exactly whatever the highest is, needs to be 24. And yep. 23.5. Alright. Alright. Save. Oh, something broke. What I've figured out when I try to access it. This is not grouped. That's good. Grouping does weird things with locations. So SVGs, add. I don't need a value. Not gonna put anything in these. That sounded very Texan then. Not gonna put anything in these, Gen A. To action. SVG. Nope. Nope, don't reference that. That's different. What is this? Okay. Close window. Mez still presenting well. Yep. No one showed. That's alright, I'm still having fun. Wrong one, Brian. You know better. Pointed at you. Icon font. Two action John. I now say John for things because of Glass Cannon podcast. So is that still going to be blurry? No. Oh man, I love this. So let's do, I did 23. Let's go back to 23. I apologize for my gross noises. So two action John. And 3 action. Boom. Bobbity boopity. Y. Za. So I have 1, 2, 3, and then what is it? Reaction and free action. Go back here. Good old reach around reaction. Okay. And then not 24, Brian 23. That is official Paizo. I'm not a big fan. Did something happen? It looks like it cut off. It did cut off. Okay, so that's not good. Thought it looked weird. Hmm. Edge detection. Oh. Auto trace. I don't know what any of this is doing. Haha. That looks gross. Oh my goodness. Nope. Auto trace? What? Don't like that. Nope, same thing. I don't like this. That arrow bit is gross. It's not good, but it's what I can do tonight. And then I'll fix it when I email Pathfinder or Paizo. And then I bet you 5 doll hairs or a follow bracelet going back to the original. They will not respond to me because no one does. I hate that when companies just do that. I emailed like what's it called? Marvel and stuff to see if I can use stuff to make leisure things because that was another side project I did. And they never responded to me, I think. I think LucasArts did. That was nice. And they were like, nope, you can't do it. And I was like, all right, cool. And then I stopped doing laser stuff. Add that reaction. G. Right, I think tonight I'm just going to add the frameworks, get the tabs, get these icons in the tabs, and I'm going to call it, because I'm tired. Oh, I still want this to be fun. Oh my goodness. Let's do edge detection. Apply. Oh. Apply. Nope. Why? I mean, it's not great. Seeing lots of issues with it, but I said 1,000 times tonight. That works. And then once I get this all done, be positive. When they respond to me, it'll be easy to update. I'll just go in here and update these paths. Alright, so all this is working. Now, this. Oh man. Okay, so it's a text. How can I make that icon? Icon. So, set. Alright, so let's try to reverse engineer this. So it is literally the path. The SVG already is just a path. Interesting. But I did see like a custom thing, so that's pretty cool. Let's go back to Mudblazer icons. This one, not that one, features icon reference. Nope, explore. Oh, is that what it is? I don't like that. Alphabets. You know what? I bet it is in here. So I think I can. Right, nope. Okay. Reverse engineer. Pretty sure Mudblazer is on GitHub, and it is. Nice. I will star this. Not sponsored. I'm actually looking for sponsors myself. So that's the compiler, docs, examples, source generator. Probably this guy. Yeah. Icons.cs. Exclude from coach coverage. Material. Never filled. Is it just icons all the way down? Yep. Components is what I was wanting. Is angle bracket. Why do you care if it's an angle bracket? Sure, you can use the awesome. Render fragment. Syntax. So I'm trying to scan it. So let's go to tab. QRST. Mud tabs. In view. If whatever. It looks like placement. Hmm. Panel? Probably not. Not dynamic. Not this. Centered. Where's the next icon? Mud icon button. So icons. So it's probably under buttons. Mud icon button. Just wanna know. Can you show me? Hmm. That icon. Alright. Markup string. Here we go. SVG style. This angle bracket. Try parse font icon syntax. Icon syntax. Icon main. Span. Is that because it is? Style class. Alright. Whatever. Do it this way. I'm probably gonna break it. Open. Nope. Hate this. I hate this. Downloads. I don't think that worked. I don't see anything. I'm just confused because I don't know what to do. Ungroup it maybe? Ungroup. I'm screwing this up. Wrong way. Past it. Yeah, past it. Uh-huh. It would be faster probably to close it out. Hmm. What if I just do that? Yep. Alright. So they said it was font awesome. Um, so it doesn't set the view box. I could inspect. Uh, well, let's look at an easy one. Font icons, mode icons. CSS class-based on icon. Some icon orders such as material symbols. The icon parameter of are just SVG strings, so changing an icon programmatically can be string. Also, the icon you need is unavailable. The cube icon in this example is cube outline. Icon cube. Okay. Cool. So then, what's that? And then I think it's just this one. Should work theoretically. How did that work? What did I do wrong? Oh, I didn't set a fill, I guess. Viewbox 24. Take that out. What's current color? Path fill. There it goes. Nope. There's one other thing I missed. Style width and height. So let's do that. Guess I don't need this. Fully rebuilding. Should be done. Nope. Wrong one, Brian. Come on. F5. Nope. It's not even like there. It is there. Maybe a full rebuild. I don't think that'll affect it, but we'll see. So what did I do wrong? It's a string. SVG. Let's just copy this one. Keep it simple. We'd just like to get it kind of working before I go to bed. Reload. Still not there. Okay, maybe it doesn't work in the tab. So let's do mud icon here. I literally just want to copy and paste right now. Yeah, that's not working either. It's just a string. I copy and pasted this. Is there online playground? Maybe I did something to block pass and SVGs? Yeah. Okay, so but there's no like I don't see the code for my SVG code. Like, it's not even there. So let's try exiting fully. Save, and do the same thing. Must be doing something silly. Maybe it's the... No, and... Is that it? Alright, color? Supposed to be blue. Yeah, I did color primary. I did icon equal. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It was something stupid. So in Blazor, right, you have to designate what is the actual string. Don't, then it will just go as a string literal and not reference. Yep. Okay, that made me feel better. So then delete this, uncomment this, and refresh. Rebuilding. Done. Refresh. Freaking zone. And that's there, and that's pretty. Alright, well. Thank you for watching this. I am done and tanked. Don't feel 100% awesome about it, but I feel better. Don't know why that is now black instead of white, but for future Brian to figure out. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will